Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix volume problem in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to control center and click on do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, then go back and here you can check your Bluetooth. If it turn on, then turn it off. After turning off your Bluetooth, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then turn off your silent mode and turn your sound high. After that, open settings and click on general. Now click on software updates, and after that here you can check your latest iOS version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest iOS version, then update it to latest iOS version. After updating latest iOS version, your volume problem will be fixed. So this is the way to fix volume problem in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.